channel. It's NiKKi, and I think I made a big announcement in the last video, which is I am going to the Andaman Islands for vacation. Oh yeah, it's true. So today's video is a pack with me video. I'm going for an 8-day vacation, so it's going to be pretty long. And if you see the mass of things that are there behind me, you will know, okay, you will know how hard I worked to get all of this stuff here. So there are some stuff that's from my haul, obviously, because I told you that the haul was for this trip. Guys, I think that is it. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and click the red subscribe button below. Turn on post notifications so that you are notified every time I post a video. And tell me down in the comments below if you could visit any place on this world. Where would it be? For me, I think I'd love to visit Cairns in Australia. I've already been there once and it's kind of my favorite places. So yeah, I'm super curious, and tell me down in the comments below where would you like to go. And I guess that's it. So let's get on with the video. One of my tips for packing, and like one of the first steps in my packing, is to make a packing list. I know it sounds really old school and something that most people might do, but tell you what, many people don't do it and they end up forgetting so much. So definitely make a packing list. And how I'll start is, so let's say I'm going for 5 days. So what I do is I write the number of days I'm going and I write what I'm going to be doing. So on day 1 I'm going to be traveling, so I write travel. And on day 2 I decide to
sightseeing, so let's say sightseeing. And on day 3 I decide to spend it on the beach. Day 4 I decide to go diving. And on day 5 I'm traveling back again.
So this helps me to decide what I'm going to pack and what I'm going to need. So if you're going to be traveling, you want something that's comfy and that's easy to wear, and even if you dirty it or something, you can cover it up. And if you're going to be doing something sightseeing, you might want something that's a little bit pretty but still functional, so that if you're going to take some nice photos or something, you're going to look perfect. And the third thing is beach. If you're going to the beach, you need a cover up, your swim things, maybe a beach blanket, whatever you need. So those kind of things for the beach. If you're going diving, you're going to need your scuba suit and you're going to need your equipment or whatever other stuff you need. And traveling back again, you're going to need some clothes that match your needs, like that. So deciding what you're going to be doing, even if it's not day wise, at least deciding what you're going to be doing, when you're going to be doing it, can be actually really helpful to find out what kind of clothes and what kind of things you're going to be needing. So guys, what I've done is put all my swimsuits, my swim things, all my feminine stuff inside this big bag here, and I've already kept it in. It's waterproof, so when anything gets wet, I can put it in and I'll be fine and my suitcase won't be spoiled. I've already put in my bathrobe and my towel over here. And another thing for me is a bag inside a bag. So I have this really pretty beach bag, which is like pretty simple, nothing too crazy. And I'm just going to like fold it up, and if you see in your suitcase, you will have this zipper which you can open up and zip it back up again. After we have done the first part of the suitcase, we are going to move on to putting the stuff actually inside. So what I first like to do is spread out everything so that I know what all I need to pack and how big a suitcase or backpack or what am I going to need. I put my carry-on stuff separately and then my check-in stuff separately. First thing I'm going to start packing is all these flat things that are ironed, so which I can't roll them up. So I'm going to place them on the base of my suitcase. So whenever I feel like something might fit better somewhere else, I usually try to change up the arrangement, and that's never bad if you don't get it the first time. So keep changing it up until you think you're satisfied and have made optimal use of the space that you have. So as you can see on this side of the suitcase, I'm not packing it too tight. I am giving some room so that I can put some of my toiletries and stuff like that. And if I do end up purchasing anything, I can put them in this. So now we're going to get in with all the toiletries and those kind of supplies. I'm going to be putting them inside some clothes so that they don't break or nothing happens. I usually put them into Ziploc covers in case if anything leaks and so that I can be safe. So that's why they are in this kind of Ziploc bag. I actually prefer these pouches to mostly keep your shoes and stuff like that because at least in this suitcase they're pretty big. Now we're moving on to my carry-on part of the pack with me. So this is my carry-on bag. I showed it to you guys in my haul. So I'm going to be packing my stuff in this. If you have not seen my haul yet, I'll link it up below, either here or here. I'm not sure, but somewhere up there. So just click on that eye and you will be linked to my video. So go check that out. So now let's get on to putting all of this inside of this bad boy. That was my carry-on and my suitcase and this pack with me video. Seriously, I mean, are you kidding me? See that? Where were we? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had fun watching this, and I hope it gave you ideas and was useful to you guys. And if you liked it, my phone is ringing from inside the bag. Hello? We're gonna pretend nothing happened. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. Click the red subscribe button. Show me some love, please. And yeah, don't forget to switch on post notifications so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, I guess there's nothing more to say. Comment down below, where would you like to go? And yeah, that's it. So bye.